I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Google It. Today I'm going to share with you a yummy and tasty popcorn chicken. Yes, I'm going to show you how to make an easy popcorn chicken at home. And for the chicken, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thigh. We're gonna cut it just either cube or depends how do you like it. So bite size will be perfect, like this one here. Now you can use the chicken breast if you want the white meat, but the reason why I'm using dark meat, which is chicken thigh, it's because it tastes like a chicken wings. It's tasty and it stays juicy at the same time. Now all the chicken, it's cut, and in the bowl we're gonna crack a couple of eggs, yogurt, any plain yogurt will do, salt and pepper, and let's break the egg yolk and we're gonna mix it very well. And you can add 1 tablespoon of flour to thicken it up a little bit. Perfect. Now let's put it on the side and we're gonna work with the flour. I have here garlic powder, and make sure garlic powder, not granulated garlic, salt, pepper, marjoram or marjoram, smoked paprika, and we're gonna mix it very well to combine everything together. And we have everything's ready to start frying. Using canola oil, make sure your thermometer reads 325 Fahrenheit, and as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just pick the chicken in the flour, make sure the flour coat all the chicken, and get rid of the excess flour and good to go in. So on the 325, give it 3 to 4 minutes, and look at that beautiful golden brown color. Yes, it's so good, and I'm munching at the same time. I'm waiting for the last batch. So the last batch ready to go. Look at that lovely popcorn chicken. Yum. And if you're looking for a quick dip for the popcorn chicken, you need mayonnaise, lime juice, garlic powder, dill weed, and you mix it very well, and you end it up with the super duper dipping for popcorn chicken. Voila. Now the moment of the truth. Wow, what a tasty popcorn chicken. Juicy inside, crunchy from the outside, full of flavor. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.